everyone, I'm Lily.
Hello,
Lily.
Welcome to the magic makeup game.
This is amazing. Today, I'm going to draw some magical makeup tools. While I draw, I'll chat with them. So watch the drawing and listen to our conversation.
Hello, Lily. I'm Susie.
Hi, Susie. You look so radiant today. What's got you so excited?
Oh, Lily, you have no idea. We're about to take on a super important mission.
I'm so curious. What's the mission, Susie?
We have to help Rose look absolutely stunning tonight.
That sounds fun, but also not easy at all.
Exactly. I'm a bit nervous too, but I've got the most dazzling red lipstick that can light up the whole room.
Oh, fantastic. But what if Rose suddenly wants a soft pink?
Oh, don't worry. I'm a magical lip. I'll help her out.
Really? How will you do that?
That's right. I can change colors depending on the user's mood. If you're happy, I'll turn into a bright pink. If you're feeling confident, I'll become a bold red.
Wow, that's amazing. Jessica, you're truly one of a kind. Now I'm drawing Rose's hand. Isn't it beautiful? I'm drawing 5 fingers. They're small and a bit long. I'll make her nails round. It's a shame I can't talk to her hand because it doesn't have eyes or a mouth. I'll add a nail polish bottle here. It has a heart-shaped decoration.
Hi, Lily. I'm Amy.
Amy, what are you going to do to help Rose tonight?
Well, I'm going to take care of her skin and nails.
What color are you going to paint Rose's nails?
I've got every color, from sparkling ocean blue to sweet pastel pink.
That sounds so exciting. I'd love to visit your nail salon.
Thanks, Lily.
Next, I'll draw a makeup box. It's rectangular. I'm trying to draw straight lines, but it's a bit tricky. Amy, do you like drawing?
Oh no, I only like painting nails.
Hi, Lily. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. You look so beautiful today. You're a multi-purpose makeup box, right?
That's right. I'm going to make sure Rose looks absolutely fabulous.
So, how are you going to do Rose's makeup today?
I'm thinking of trying a new style for Rose.
Sounds great. What is it?
I'll turn her into a beautiful swan with fabulous makeup.
Well, I can't wait to see you all work on Rose. I'm sure it'll be a lot of fun.
Absolutely.
I'm drawing a handbag.
Hey everyone, I'm really curious. Who is Rose?
Oh, actually, she's a cat.
What? A cat? I can't believe it. How can you do makeup on a cat? It's pretty mischievous, you know?
Definitely. And I still have to figure out how to turn her into a gorgeous swan.
Wow, you guys are going to be animal makeup experts. Susie, have you ever done makeup for a cat?
I've never tried, but it sounds like fun. It can't be too hard, right?
Maybe, but just imagine, cats are always moving around. How would you even get red lipstick on a cat?
Oh my, I didn't think of that. What if the cat suddenly licks its lips while I'm applying the lipstick?
The red lipstick would spread all over its face, turning it into a little cat clown.
Exactly.
But even so, I bet the cat would look super cute with bright red lips.
Yeah, I think so too.
Jessica, do you like rainbow lips?
Oh, definitely. It makes me look so much more fabulous.
Yes, she looks much better today.
So, what about the other days?
Oh, her lips are always brown.
Why's that?
Because I just love eating chocolate ice cream.
Yay, chocolate ice cream is truly delicious. Can you turn those lips into glittery ones?
No problem. I'll do it right now.
Wow, you look amazing.
Thanks a lot.
Here's Rose's shoe. Doesn't it look like a princess's shoe?
Yeah, I've never seen a cat wear shoes before.
Can you help change its color?
Sure, I'll switch it to red.
Wow, that's pretty. Can you add some glitter?
Oh, is this glitter for cat shoes?
It's perfect. I wish I were a cat so I could wear them. Amy, do you like doing nail art for cats?
Oh, yes. What do you think if I paint a cat's nails pink?
The cat probably wouldn't sit still. It might just run away.
Right. I can imagine the cat constantly hiding its claws and then showing them again. The whole nail painting session would turn into a fun wrestling match.
That would be so much fun, wouldn't it?
Definitely.
Emily, how would you do makeup for a cat?
I think I'd start with some false eyelashes. It would look pretty dramatic.
What about eyeshadow, Emily?
I'd have to use the tiniest brush to apply the eyeshadow, but what if the cat keeps blinking?
Right, if you just finish applying and the cat rubs its eyes, it'll look like Rose is crying.
Then someone's got to hold her paw still.
Hey, I've got an idea. You could do the makeup while she's asleep. That's easy, right?
Yeah, that's a good plan, but how do we get the cat to sleep?
We could throw a cat sleepover with all her favorite foods, like dried fish or pate.
Exactly. She'll eat until she's stuffed and then just roll over and sleep. Hey handbag, what would you do?
I'll be the cat's safe hideaway. When she's scared, she can just jump in and take a nap.
Wow, that's a brilliant idea.
Oh, but what if she oversleeps and misses the party?
Then we will wake her up with a funny song.
Wake up right now, wake up right now. Wake up right now, wake up right now.
Oh, that sounds terrible.
Wow, you guys are so adorable today. Next, I'm going to draw the beautiful girls from the Equestria Girls movie. While I'm drawing, I'll be chatting with them, so stay tuned for our conversation. I'm drawing Rainbow Dash. She's super cool and fast. I'm really curious about what she's planning for tonight's Queen of the Night party. Hey, Rainbow Dash, what are you up to tonight?
Oh, Lily, I'm so busy right now. I'm trying to get a really awesome costume ready.
Wow, that sounds exciting. What kind of costume are you going for?
I'm planning to dress up as a party superhero.
Oh, did I hear that right? Are you going to be Spider-Woman or Captain Marvel?
No, I'm going to be Rainbow Light, a superhero that glows in all 7 colors.
Wow, that sounds amazing. How are you going to pull that off?
I'm going to use some LED lights, which are perfect for the night party.
Exactly. But what if they fall off while you're flying?
Oh, I just hope they stick like glue.
Twilight Sparkle, do you have any special plans for tonight?
Of course, I'm planning to have my hair sparkle like the stars.
Wow, your idea is amazing.
I believe you'll shine bright at the party.
Thanks.
What are you going to do with your hair?
I'm going to try a hairstyle with glitter and glow powder. A little stardust sparkle will make it perfect.
It sounds like you're about to become the queen of the night tonight.
Not so easy because Pinkie Pie looks stunning too.
Thank you.
Pinkie Pie, what are you going to do to stand out at the party tonight?
I'm preparing a super sparkly makeup look with lots of glitter. I want to shine like a disco ball.
That sounds dazzling. Can you do the makeup yourself?
Of course, I learned makeup from Rarity.
So, are you thinking about changing your hair color too?
I'm not sure, but maybe I'll give it a try.
Well, I can't wait to see your transformation tonight.
So, keep an eye out and don't miss me.
Next, I'll draw Rarity. She looks so stylish and glamorous. I'm really looking forward to Rarity's transformation at tonight's Queen of the Night party. She's definitely not going to disappoint us. Hi, Rarity. Have you made any plans for the party yet?
Hi, Lily. I'm so excited about this reflective evening fashion show. I've designed so many sparkling, light-reflecting outfits.
That sounds impressive. What kind of outfits have you designed for tonight?
Oh, I've designed all kinds. From long, shimmering gowns like the night sky to short dresses with light, reflecting patterns like fireworks.
Wow, it sounds like you've really prepared well. Is there any surprise in your plan?
Of course. I've prepared a special surprise. A dress that changes color continuously.
How does that work?
People just need to clap. But I'm having a little trouble with it.
Trouble? What happened?
Actually, I tested the dress in my room, and it worked perfectly at first. But this morning, not only did it change colors, but it also started making weird sounds like bells.
Oh my gosh, does your dress know how to sing? That's hilarious. Applejack, what are you going to do at the party tonight?
Oh, I'm going to treat everyone to a fun-filled apple light party.
I'm so curious. Tell me more.
I've made a big apple house with lights all around it. Inside, there will be sweet and delicious apple pies, along with some super cool night apple juice.
Wow, night apple juice. That sounds amazing.
I used old glass bottles, painted them with glow-in-the-dark paint, and filled them with apple juice. It's pretty cool, right?
All right, I wish I could try some. So, are you thinking about switching hats?
No way. I think my old hat is still the best.
How about adding a flower to it?
Oh, I think adding some apple designs would be better.
Fluttershy, what special preparations have you made for tonight?
Hi, Lily. Oh, I'm so glad you asked. I'm preparing something really special. I'm going to use fireflies to decorate my hair and clothes.
Oh, that sounds so magical, and I believe you'll really stand out at the party tonight. Rainbow Dash, where are you going to put the LED lights?
UHM. I think I'll put them in my hair, on my clothes, and even on the shoes I'm wearing.
So you want to create a lighting effect from head to toe, right?
Exactly. I'll be like a giant LED light flying back and forth across the night sky.
Oh, can you create a rainbow with those lit lights? I think it would be pretty cool.
Yes, for sure. Everyone will be thrilled to see a rainbow at night.
Of course. Now I will color your face light blue.
Lily, can you help me with my earrings?
Okay, I'd be happy to help. Wow, you look so pretty with those new earrings.
Thank you.
I finished coloring. Turn on those LED lights now. You look amazing, Rainbow Dash.
Thanks.
Twilight Sparkle, are you almost done with your hair?
Almost there. Just a few more details to finish. You'd better hurry with the coloring.
Got it. I'm really excited to see your hairstyle.
Twilight Sparkle, do you want to add a few twinkling stars to your hair?
Absolutely, it'll make my hair look even better. I've never seen my hair look this good. It's absolutely dazzling.
Yeah, I think I should get a glittery hairstyle full of stars too. I've finished coloring. Let's add the glitter now.
Okay, I'll use it right away.
Oh, Twilight Sparkle, you look fantastic.
Twilight Sparkle, your hair looks so beautiful. I have no idea what to do with mine.
So, do you want to change your hair color to blonde?
Oh, if she changes her hair to blonde, it'll look like a bowl of noodles. It's making me kind of hungry.
Pinkie Pie, how are you going to do your eye makeup?
I'll put on a layer of glittery eyeshadow.
Wow, you look stunning. Can you help me with my eye makeup?
Of course, it's super easy.
Wow, thanks.
Rarity, what are you going to wear to the fashion show tonight?
I'm torn between a cute short dress and a glamorous long gown.
Is this one of your latest designs?
Yes, I just finished it today.
What about the singing dress? It's quite special.
I'm afraid people might freak out when it starts making weird noises.
Don't worry. I think it's a unique dress, and everyone will love it.
Hope so too.
Rarity, would you like a new hair clip? I can make one for you.
Really? Thank you, Lily. Oh, a cat hair clip. It really suits me.
Applejack, do you want to have a contest to see who can eat the most apples?
Yes, that sounds like fun. I bet my apple orchard will be empty by the end of the day.
I'll try to eat as many of her apples as I can. They're really delicious.
How about a contest for drinking apple juice?
Great idea. We'll play rock, paper, scissors, and the loser has to drink it all.
Wow, that sounds like a fun and hilarious contest.
I also want to play the midnight treasure hunt game.
How do you play that?
We'll search for the brightest treasure in the dark. Whoever finds it becomes the queen of the night.
Oh, I definitely can't miss the chance to become the queen of the night.
Fluttershy, are you ready for the party tonight?
I'm all set, but I'm feeling a little nervous.
Oh, what are you worried about? Can I help?
I'm just worried that if there are too many fireflies, everyone might get distracted and not see me.
Don't worry. Tonight, everyone will be glowing, and no one will be able to see each other anyway.
That's for sure. Fluttershy, you'll be the brightest sparkle at the party. I can hardly imagine how amazing it will be with thousands of fireflies fluttering around you. It's going to be incredible.
Thanks, Lily. I'm really excited to see you at the party with all those sparkling lights and the mysterious atmosphere.
Yes. Today, I feel very happy. I hope you have fun too. The video is over. Goodbye, everyone, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.